everyone, good morning. I'm at the first apartment that we're touring today. Honestly, I almost drove past the place because it's not on the street it said it was on. Anyway, this is the first of the two that we're going to see today. I don't really remember why I like this one. Yeah, I don't remember at all, but we're gonna see. I signed up to do a self-guided tour so that I could talk to you guys while I'm in the apartment, but hopefully it's not like that last apartment I tried to tour and the lady took me through the apartment. If that is the case, then I'll just record it like without me talking and I'll do a voiceover or something when I'm editing, but I really hope it's not, because I feel like I can really get a good feel for an apartment when I'm in there by myself, not when I have a stranger looking at me. And I can actually take my mask off when I go into these apartments when I'm by myself, so that's something I would like to do. So I have about 5 minutes until I'm going to get out the car and go in. So I think I'm just going to go on the website, look around, see what I liked, remember what the price is, and yeah. Quick note, I definitely like this little area. It's in a nice downtown area, which is what I enjoy. So this should be good. All right, guys, I'll check in with you guys when I'm walking to the hotel, or walking to the apartment, not a hotel.
Guys, so I looked at one apartment for the very first half of this video, 2 different units. So this one is a 2-bedroom unit. Love the dark cabinets, and I really appreciated the big living room space, but I was very disappointed that there was not an island in the kitchen. An island is not necessary for me, but I really want one. I thought this guest bedroom was a decent size, like the 2 big windows and the closet decent. I mean, it's a guest bedroom, so I don't want to expect too much. And then the bathroom was definitely standard. Then the master bedroom was, again, a decent size. I think bigger than most that I've looked at. And I also really liked the closet in this unit. I think this is probably one of the biggest closets I've seen, probably the second biggest closet, so really like that. And the bathroom was okay, but I feel like I would have expected a little bit more from a master bathroom, but I think it did the job perfectly. So next up, I'm going to the second unit, and the hallways for this unit look really interesting. But anyway, I want to tell you guys to ignore the carpet in this unit. This is not the carpet I would have. They actually have to put down the carpet. Anyway, the closet for this unit was a decent size. I think it was a little smaller than the first one we looked at, but again, still a really nice size. I could definitely do a lot in that closet. And then I really liked how there was a good amount of counter space in the bathroom. That's really important to me also, because I think like, well, where am I going to do my makeup just in case I don't have the space in my bedroom. And this unit also had some other closets that I could use for clothes and storage, so that's really good. But I really liked the large living room space. Plenty of space for a TV, space for an office desk. Island was really nice, and the balcony for this place was huge.
All right, guys, mama is back. So I just had lunch. That's why I'm in like this dark area. But I actually really liked that apartment more than I thought I was going to. I don't know if you guys could tell, but from the 2-bedroom unit, there's a door. So it literally feels like you're in a house, really, because there's a door in your apartment that leads to the parking garage. Like literally, you open the door, your car is right there. I thought that was super cool, very convenient for when the winter comes. Love that. And also you don't have to go through a lobby to get to your apartment. Literally, your door leads to outside. So you have 2 doors, your garage door and your main door. So I really like that, but I personally feel like the 2-bedroom is a little expensive. And if I didn't say this already, I guess I'm cool with the 1-bedroom, but I wanted 2-bedroom just for the space. And also just for guests coming over. I know my mom's gonna visit a lot. I want my friends to come. I don't necessarily want like all of us like sleeping in one room or having to do the couch thing. You know what I mean? More space, the better. And I also think that would be really good with just my YouTube and just having a second space if I'm working from home to take calls and different things like that. So I don't know. I just thought that would be really nice. So I'm considering a 2-bedroom unit, but most likely it will probably be a 1. Most likely. Anyway, and then the 1-bedroom unit was also nice, but I felt like the doors, like the not the lobby, but like the doors leading up to your apartment, I just felt like they look kind of old. That's my only problem. The packaging system is really nice, the concierge packaging, and then the concierge dry cleaning is also really nice, but So I will definitely put that on my consideration list. It's not my top 2. I will definitely consider it. All right, guys, now we're gonna head over to the second apartment. This place is actually just a mile down from the last place that we saw. So I think I have like a 10-minute drive to go there. I have 30 minutes until the appointment. So I think I'm just gonna watch Netflix in my car until 1:30 happens. Yeah, this place, it looks like it's a bit nicer than the first place, but again, pictures can tell you one story. But I'm excited for this place as well. Any place that is like sleek and has like a breakfast nook and big windows, I'm obsessed with. Oh, you guys didn't get to see, the last place had a huge balcony. The balcony was crazy. I just wanted to share that. But all right, let me go to the next place. All right, guys, so I made it. Hopefully I'm parked at the leasing center. Like, I'm parked at a sign where it says resident parking only. I didn't see anything about future guests. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave this spot and drive down and see if there was a spot that way, because I don't want to be parking in a spot where somebody like paid for it. So yeah, my meeting is in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna get in there like 3 minutes early, so I ain't tripping.
So now we're at the second apartment building, and I thought this place was perfect. The island was probably the best island that I've seen in the Chicago area. Beautiful large kitchen. This is a 1-bedroom with a den, and you'll see the den a little bit. I love the space of the living room, and the patio is a really, really nice size. But let's look at the den, guys. So literally this space could be a guest room, it could be a filming room, it could be an office. It has a nice little storage closet. That could be a pantry. I just really, really liked that, and that's definitely like one of the biggest selling points for me. And that big window is also a huge plus as well. Just look at that, guys. That is really gorgeous, and I would not mind having that as my background. Then we'll go into the bedroom. Honestly, this bedroom was pretty small. I did like the 2 windows, but in all honesty, I really haven't seen a large bedroom at any units in the Chicago area. But then, guys, the closet. The closet was pretty good. Not as good as the very first closet that I showed you guys, but I think it would definitely do the job. I like the 2 double doors. I feel like that makes it look bigger than it actually is. And then the bathroom did have some counter space. I thought it was nice how it had like the gray sink, but yeah, it was a nice unit. I really liked it.
All right, guys, mama is back. So I actually really, really like this apartment. Like, it's actually on my top 3 list now. I looked at the 1-bedroom with the den, obviously you guys saw. I loved it. Like, kitchen, gorgeous. Island, perfect size. Living room, huge. Patio, huge. The bedroom was a little smaller than I would have liked, but the closet, I'll take a smaller bedroom for that closet. And then I really like the den space, because literally that can be an office space, or I can literally make that a filming room, or just a guest bedroom with like a twin bed, a light, you know what I mean? Like, I can definitely use that space. And if I don't make it like an office space, I can literally use part of my living room for like my office. So I thought that was really, really cool. I really like this place. The leasing agent was super nice. So was the last one. Community's nice. Pool area's nice. If I had to say a couple cons, it would probably be like the small bedroom. The no grills are allowed. I'm acting like I'm actually gonna grill. I would like a grill, because I feel like I will grill eventually in my life. Those would be the 2 cons. Oh, and it's super close to transportation, which I'm obsessed with. So this is definitely going to be number 3 on my list. Oh, that's nice. So I guess I have my top 3 so far. Next time I come back to this area, I'm definitely gonna look at a couple more apartments, but there really hasn't been much that's like screaming like, Ariane, come check me out. So that's really interesting. I thought there would be like a whole bunch of options that I would want to look into, but that's okay. Well, yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed like this like day with me of me looking at my future homes. So exciting, but also super scary. And for all of my people that are recent college grads, or just people that are getting ready to go out by themselves, I just want to say, like, y'all do not feel discouraged if you're not finding a place that you can afford or a place that you love. Keep looking. A lot of these places are doing like 2-month free specials. And with COVID, a lot of places are like, you know, they may have to knock down their numbers a little bit. So just keep looking around. Use websites like Apartment List. That's how I found all of my favorite places. Apartmentlist.com is amazing. This is not sponsored, obviously. And look on Google, like type in apartments in blank, look at the reviews and look on the website. Literally perfect. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video for real this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.